Hello! TeamDrive has recently acquired Synqion, and if you have been using Synqion, it is time to smoothly transition to TeamDrive. In this video tutorial, we will guide you through the process with just a few mouse clicks. Let's begin by switching from the Synqion application to TeamDrive. First, ensure that you exit the Synqion application completely. Simply closing it with the X symbol isn't sufficient, as it may remain running in the background. Right-click on the Synqion symbol in the taskbar or on the tray icon. Then select Exit to close the program entirely. Next, head over to teamdrive.com and navigate to the download section in the upper right-hand corner. Here you will find the TeamDrive application tailored for your operating system. Simply click to download it. Once the download is complete, proceed with installing TeamDrive. Most of the time, you can simply follow the installation wizard and keep the default settings. After the installation, launch TeamDrive. Upon startup, TeamDrive will detect that you had Synqion installed previously and will prompt you to migrate. Let's continue with the migration. During the migration, your current data will remain in its original location, typically under Documents/Spaces on the Windows PC. TeamDrive seamlessly replaces the Synqion name with its own, ensuring a smooth transition without any data loss. Now you can resume your day-to-day tasks without any interruptions. Rest assured, you won't experience any functionality issues with TeamDrive. And there you have it. You have successfully migrated from Synqion to TeamDrive in just a few simple steps. For more updates and support, make sure to stay connected with TeamDrive. Happy collaborating!